As the landscape of cryptocurrencies continues to evolve and gain mainstream acceptance, the question of which digital assets to invest in becomes more pressing for both novice and seasoned investors alike. With the increasing influence of technological advancements and market trends, navigating the top cryptocurrencies to invest in 2024 requires a strategic approach that takes into consideration factors such as market volatility, regulatory developments, and the potential for long-term growth. In this video, we will explore some of the top cryptocurrencies that are poised to make an impact in 2024 and provide insights into their underlying technologies, market performance, and potential for future returns. The cryptocurrency market has experienced significant growth and evolution in recent years, with numerous digital currencies entering the scene to offer users diverse options for investment. As of 2021, the market is showing bullish trends, with Bitcoin leading the charge as the most dominant and widely recognized cryptocurrency in the world. In addition to Bitcoin, Ethereum has also gained significant traction, with its smart contract capabilities and decentralized applications, or dApps, attracting a broad user base. Moreover, other altcoins such as Cardano, Solana, and Binance Coin have emerged as formidable competitors in the market, offering unique features and functionalities that appeal to investors. Cardano, for instance, boasts a secure and scalable blockchain network that supports the development of decentralized applications and smart contracts. Solana, on the other hand, has gained attention for its high-speed blockchain that can process over 65,000 transactions per second, making it an attractive option for users seeking fast and efficient transactions. Furthermore, the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, has had a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market, with platforms like Uniswap, Aave, and Compound enabling users to participate in lending, borrowing, and trading digital assets without the need for intermediaries. DeFi protocols have not only democratized access to financial services, but have also created new avenues for users to earn passive income through staking and yield farming. Another key trend in the cryptocurrency market is the emergence of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, which have revolutionized the way digital art and collectibles are bought and sold. NFTs are unique digital assets that are tokenized on a blockchain, enabling artists and creators to tokenize their work and sell it as a one-of-a-kind asset. The NFT market has seen explosive growth, with artwork selling for millions of dollars and attracting significant interest from investors and collectors alike. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, investors are advised to stay informed about the latest trends and developments to make informed decisions when it comes to investing in digital assets. In 2024, the world of cryptocurrencies witnessed several remarkable developments, with numerous digital assets making significant strides in terms of adoption, innovation, and value appreciation. As a crypto investor looking to navigate the market to identify the top cryptocurrencies to invest in, it is crucial to conduct a comprehensive analysis of the performance of these digital assets over the course of the year. Bitcoin, the pioneering cryptocurrency, continued to be a dominant force in the market, despite facing some challenges such as regulatory scrutiny and price volatility. Bitcoin demonstrated resilience by maintaining its value and market capitalization, with several institutional investors and corporations showing increasing interest in the digital asset as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainties. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, experienced a transformative year in 2024. The Ethereum network underwent a major upgrade to Ethereum 2.0, which aimed to improve scalability, security, and sustainability. This upgrade was well received by the crypto community and contributed to Ethereum's continued growth and adoption. Additionally, the rise of decentralized finance applications and non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum network further bolstered its value and utility. Other top cryptocurrencies such as Binance Coin, Cardano, and Solana also made significant strides in 2024. Binance Coin continued to benefit from the success of the Binance Exchange and its expanding ecosystem of products and services. Cardano saw increased adoption of its blockchain platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications, while Solana emerged as a prominent player in the competitive landscape of high-throughput blockchain networks. In contrast, some cryptocurrencies faced challenges and setbacks in 2024. Ripple continued to grapple with legal issues related to its ongoing lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which affected its market performance and investor sentiment. Dogecoin, once a darling of the crypto community, experienced a decline in popularity and value as hype around meme coins waned. Overall, the performance of top cryptocurrencies in 2024 reflected a diverse range of outcomes, influenced by factors such as technological advancements, regulatory developments, market dynamics, and investor sentiment. As investors evaluate potential opportunities in the crypto market, it is crucial to consider not just historical price movements, but also fundamental factors such as utility, adoption, and community support. In conclusion, navigating the top cryptocurrencies to invest in 2024 requires a nuanced understanding of the market landscape and a thorough analysis of each digital asset's performance and prospects. By staying informed and conducting due diligence, investors can make informed decisions to capitalize on the opportunities presented by the dynamic and evolving world of cryptocurrencies. When considering investing in cryptocurrencies, there are several factors that should be taken into account to make informed decisions. One of the first factors to consider is the technology behind the cryptocurrency. It is essential to understand the technology and its potential for solving real-world problems. For example, some cryptocurrencies utilize blockchain technology for secure and transparent transactions, while others may focus on smart contracts or privacy features. Investors should research the technology and determine if it has the potential for widespread adoption and utility in the future. Another important factor to consider is the market capitalization of the cryptocurrency. Market capitalization represents the total value of all the coins in circulation and can give an indication of the cryptocurrency's overall popularity and stability. Generally, cryptocurrencies with a higher market capitalization tend to be less volatile and may be less risky investments. However, it is essential to keep in mind that market capitalization alone is not a guarantee of success, as smaller cryptocurrencies with innovative technology may have more growth potential. Additionally, investors should consider the team behind the cryptocurrency. A strong and experienced team can greatly influence the success of a cryptocurrency project. It is crucial to research the team members' backgrounds, their previous experience in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space, and their track record of delivering on promises. A dedicated and competent team can contribute to the long-term success of a cryptocurrency and inspire confidence in investors. Regulatory considerations are also significant when investing in cryptocurrencies. The regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies varies from country to country and can have a significant impact on their value and overall viability. Some countries may have strict regulations that limit the use of cryptocurrencies, while others may be more open to innovation and embrace digital currencies. Investors should be aware of the regulatory landscape in their country and consider how regulations could affect the value of their investments. Moreover, investors should assess the liquidity of the cryptocurrency before investing. Liquidity refers to how easily a cryptocurrency can be bought or sold in the market without significantly affecting its price. Cryptocurrencies with higher liquidity tend to have more stable prices and may be easier to trade. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies with lower liquidity can be more volatile and may have wider spreads between buying and selling prices. It is crucial to consider liquidity when investing in cryptocurrencies to ensure that you can enter and exit positions efficiently. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrencies can be a rewarding but risky endeavor. Cryptocurrency investment has become increasingly popular in recent years, with more and more investors looking to capitalize on the potential growth of digital assets. As we look ahead to 2024, it is essential to keep an eye on the top cryptocurrencies that show the most promise for substantial returns. Here are some of the top crypto coins to watch out for in 2024. First on the list is Bitcoin, the original and still the most dominant cryptocurrency in the market. Despite its volatility, Bitcoin has proven to be a resilient asset that continues to attract institutional and retail investors alike. With its limited supply and growing mainstream adoption, Bitcoin remains a top choice for long-term investment opportunities. Another cryptocurrency to keep an eye on is Ethereum. As the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Ethereum has solidified its position as a leader in the decentralized finance (DeFi) space. With the upcoming transition to Ethereum 2.0, which promises to improve scalability and reduce transaction fees, Ethereum is poised for continued growth in 2024. Cardano is also a cryptocurrency worth watching in 2024. With a strong focus on scalability, sustainability, and interoperability, Cardano has gained a dedicated following within the crypto community. The platform's recent upgrades, including the implementation of smart contracts, have positioned Cardano as a top contender in the competitive blockchain ecosystem. Polkadot is another cryptocurrency with significant potential in 2024. As a multi-chain blockchain platform, Polkadot aims to facilitate seamless communication between different blockchains, allowing for greater scalability and interoperability. With a growing ecosystem of projects built on its network, Polkadot is well positioned for future growth and adoption. Lastly, Solana is a cryptocurrency to watch out for in 2024. With its high speed and low-cost transactions, Solana has been attracting attention as a viable alternative to Ethereum. The platform's growing ecosystem of decentralized applications, dApps, and its support for smart contracts have positioned Solana as a top competitor in the blockchain space. In conclusion, the top cryptocurrencies to watch out for in 2024 include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana. While these cryptocurrencies each have unique features and strengths, they all share the potential for significant growth and adoption in the coming years. As always, investors should conduct their research and due diligence before making any investment decisions in the volatile cryptocurrency market. By staying informed and keeping an eye on these promising crypto coins, investors can position themselves for potential success in 2024 and beyond. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve and expand, investors are constantly seeking out new strategies to ensure successful returns on their investments in 2024. With a plethora of options available, navigating the top cryptocurrencies can be a daunting task. However, by implementing the right strategies, investors can capitalize on the potential of the market and maximize their profits. One key strategy for successful crypto investing in 2024 is to conduct thorough research. With hundreds of cryptocurrencies available, it is crucial to understand the fundamentals of each project before making an investment. This includes researching the team behind the project, the technology being utilized, and the potential use cases of the cryptocurrency. By taking the time to research and understand the projects you are investing in, you can make more informed decisions and mitigate the risk of investing in projects with little long-term potential. Another important strategy for successful crypto investing in 2024 is to diversify your portfolio. While it can be tempting to go all in on one or two cryptocurrencies that seem promising, diversifying your investments across multiple projects can help spread out the risk and increase the chances of achieving consistent returns. By investing in a range of cryptocurrencies with different use cases and technologies, investors can hedge against potential market volatility and reduce the impact of any single project underperforming. In addition to diversification, it is essential for investors to stay informed about market trends and developments. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and subject to rapid changes, making it crucial to stay up to date with the latest news and trends. By staying informed about market movements, regulatory developments, and technological advancements, investors can make more informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve in the ever-changing crypto landscape. Risk management is another important strategy for successful crypto investing in 2024. While the potential for high returns in the cryptocurrency market is enticing, it is also important to manage risk and protect your investments. Setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your investments, and staying disciplined in your investment strategy can help mitigate potential losses and ensure long-term success in the market. Finally, investors should consider the long-term potential of the projects they are investing in. While short-term gains are certainly possible in the cryptocurrency market, it is important to look beyond immediate price fluctuations and consider the long-term viability of the projects you are investing in. By focusing on projects with strong fundamentals, real-world use cases, and a dedicated team, investors can position themselves for success in 2024 and beyond. In conclusion, successful crypto investing in 2024 requires a combination of thorough research, diversification, staying informed, risk management, and a focus on long-term potential. By implementing these strategies and taking a disciplined approach to investing, investors can navigate the top cryptocurrencies with confidence and maximize their returns in the rapidly evolving market. In conclusion, navigating the top cryptocurrencies to invest in for 2024 requires thorough research, analysis, and understanding of market trends. By staying informed and keeping track of the ever-evolving cryptocurrency landscape, investors can make informed decisions and potentially capitalize on opportunities for growth and profitability. It is crucial to exercise caution, diversify your portfolio, and seek professional advice when considering investing in this volatile market. As always, diligence and prudence are key in navigating the world of cryptocurrency investments.